Blackstone presents A Molecule Away from Madness, Tales of the Hijacked Brain by Sara Manning Peskin. This book is read by Richardson. For Jeremy, who taught me to tell a story, and for JJ and Oliver, our captive audience. Introduction. At your beginning, a tadpole-shaped cell found the opaque edges of a human egg and burrowed inside. The fertilized egg, now an embryo, cinched itself and divided into two. 2 cells became 4, 4 became 8, and so on until something astounding happened. Instead of remaining identical, each cell took on a different role. Some cells were shipped off to the frontier to become skin. Others began manufacturing hormones that could make you sleepy, hungry, or nervous. Still others became muscle cells that could manipulate the bones in your growing skeleton. The organ that defines your personality, the one that makes you you, started off in the embryo as a sheet of cells roughly the size of a pencil tip. Over just a few days in early development, the sheet rolled up into the shape of a long tube. One end of the structure stretched to form your spinal cord, while the other blossomed into the very brain you are using to read this page today. Just above your eyes, you developed neurons that help you control impulses. Neurons on the sides of your brain learned to interpret language and music. Toward the top of your head, neurons became specialists in arithmetic and judgment. Underneath, a set of neurons sorted out visual information couriered from the back of your eyeballs. Voila! You became the owner of the most complex machine known to humankind. Your brain has more than 86 billion neurons, more than the brain of any other animal on Earth. It is larger in size than the brain of any other primate, and it holds more data than the most cutting-edge smartphone. Parts of our brains are so complex that they do not even develop fully until we reach our mid-20s. And yet, our brains have an Achilles heel. The very molecules that make our brains work can also co-opt our personalities and destroy our ability to think. Our temperament, memories, and relationship to reality can...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?